Okay, we want to look at another example of proving something by contrapositive, but we want to look at an example that's not proving something with even and odd numbers. So this time, let's look at proving something involving inequalities, but also a fairly simple statement. So let's look at exercise 6.8. So exercise 6.8 says, assume that x and y are real numbers, and we want to show that if x plus y is bigger than 2, then x is bigger than 1, or y is bigger than equal to 1. And I suspect you can prove it this way, but we're going to show it by contrapositive, and it will be a bit simpler. And so what is the contrapositive, first of all? So what's the contrapositive? So it says if the opposite of x being bigger than equal to 1 is that x is strictly less than 1, the or becomes an and the opposite of y being bigger than equal to 1 is y is strictly less than 1. So that's the not of the conclusion, and then the not of the hypothesis would be that x plus y is strictly less than 2. So that's what we're going to prove. So proof. It'll be a very quick proof. So assume x and y are real numbers. We want to show that if x plus y is bigger or equal to 2, then x is bigger or equal to 1, or y is bigger or equal to 1. We proceed by contrapositive. So therefore, assume that x is strictly less than 1 and y is strictly less than 1. Then, well, it kind of falls in our lap. So then x plus y, well, x is strictly less than 1 and y is strictly less than 1, which is equal to 2. And we are done. Since the original statement is also true by the contrapositive. And again, what makes this proof so simple is that you get to assume that x is strictly less than 1 and y is strictly less than 1. And when you add them together, you get to use that right away to prove x plus y is strictly less than 2. Whereas if you assume x plus y is bigger than equal to 2, I think you might be able to argue that x is bigger than 1 or y is bigger than equal to 1, but it's going to be a very hokey kind of argument that it's much better to do it this way when it just kind of falls in your lap so simply.